Welcome to Padhai Book. Today we are going to do an activity in which we are going to compare the curved surface area, total surface area and volume of right circular cylinder. Aim of the activity is to compare CSA, TSA and volume of two right circular cylinders formed from rectangular sheets having same dimensions. So let's see the material required. Colored paper, a pair of scissors, geometry box and Fevi-stick. Now let's see what is the procedure involved here. We will take two rectangular sheets of dimension 22 cm cross 10 cm. Now what we will do here is we are going to gently curve one of the sheet along the length and another along the breadth so that we obtain two cylinders. So gently curve the first sheet along the length. So what happens? The circumference will be equal to its length, and from here we can find the radius of the cylinder, and height will be equal to its breadth. Now this 22 will be equal to 2 pi r. So we'll put the value of pi. You get 22 is equal to 2 into 22 by 7. 22 cancels, so what we get that the radius is 7 by 2 and the height is 10 centimeter. So we have the radius and the height of the first cylinder formed by gently folding it along its length. Now, since we have the radius as well as the height, we will find the CSA, TSA and volume using the formulas. In the next step, we will be going to take the second sheet of the same dimension and curve it along its breadth. And we know that the breadth was 10 centimeter in order to get a cylinder. Now here in this case, again, this will be equal, circumference will be equal to 10. So from here we are going to find the radius. This is 22 by 7 into r. So here r is equal to 70 upon 44. Right? And my height will be 22 centimeter. Now after finding the radius and the height, we are again going to calculate the total surface area, curved surface area and the volume using the formulas, and in the end we are going to compare the two results. Now we'll write here, it was for the first cylinder it was 7 by 2 centimeter and the height was 10 centimeter. So we will find the volume, that is pi r square h, curved surface area 2 pi r h, and the total surface area is 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. This we have done for the first cylinder, that is the observation, and for the second cylinder again we are going to do the same thing. We are going to write radius, height, find the volume, CSA and the TSA. And now comes the observation. What we will observe from the two? We observe that the volume of the two cylinder changes when we revolve one of them along the length and another along the breadth. TSA also changes, but the curved surface area of the two cylinders remains the same. Right, so this is the result we have. Hope you are able to understand this activity. In case if you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section. Thank you everyone.